Okay, that one came out of the mold a lot better, and I was able to cover that with ballast. And I'm also going to be using sintering carbon here. Let me zoom up. Using some sintering carbon here so that we scavenge any oxygen so that the brass does not oxidize during the sinter. So what we'll be doing now is putting that into the microwave for a sinter phase. Okay, first part of the cycle, we are going with the 1100 watt microwave. This is a 20-minute run. We will then be progressing over to the 900 watt for a 16-minute run and a sustained run at 20 minutes on the medium-low setting here, so that we can attempt to sinter this. Well, we did seem to reach the temperatures that we needed to. However, I'm not certain if we just didn't quite hold long enough, or maybe something in the binder is causing oxidation during the firing. But we did retrieve two components here, which seem to be in the shape of our piece. This was an outer shell which formed on the top where the sintering carbon was. It's also quite brittle, and of course it just looks like carbon. So, however, this section here does seem to resemble the more of a oxidized brass. This has a bit of hardness to it. Actually, more than I was expecting. Let's see. So that actually might polish. That feels metal. Let's see what we have in here. There's a lot of stuff that we don't want, whether it's oxidation or like a combination of the ballast. I'm gonna try to clean this up here, these two pieces, with the ultrasonic cleaner, and we'll see if there's anything usable from this. I mean, I don't know if I should be as excited as I am, but that's brass. This piece actually is just oxidized. It's not useful. But while this may just be a small success, and it is a small success, and I most people probably wouldn't even consider this success, since it doesn't resemble really anything the way that we put it into the crucible. But to me, it's cool. I mean, this was an invented process in my garage. Cold casting with powder, with a made up binder, with some household ingredients, and a material that I haven't been able to print before and sinter. I don't know. It's kind of neat. And although it might not lead to really anything else other than just this proof of concept, there could be some uses downstream where maybe this is refined, and it could lead to small batch production of parts that might be more conducive to the traditional casting methods, but without the danger of pouring molten metal. So I don't know. We'll we'll count our wins here, and I guess move on to the next set of experiments. If anything, and if nothing else, this has been a pretty good test of my my microwave element, and I look forward to using this in further experiments with the aluminum FDM prints, as well as 17.4 steel. So, signing off. Catch you guys later.